Are you going on holiday or vacation and you want some simple tips to be able to make sure you stay productive and organized while you're on holiday? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's find out what you need to do. G'day, Simon from SPP Productivity, where we give you simple tips and tricks to help make your life easier and help you become more organized and productive at home, work, and school. Now, people have been asking me, Simon, when I'm on holidays, I'm on vacation, how do I stay productive? How do I make sure that I get everything done? How do I make sure I don't fall behind? Well, here we go. The ultimate tips today. I'm going to show you how to stay organized and become productive while you're on holiday. And here is how you do it. And here's another way. And another one. So what point am I getting at here? The point I am getting at is that while you are on holiday or on vacation, chill out, relax, have a break. That is what it is all about. Too often, I see people, including myself, burn out while on holidays because nowadays we've got the phones, we've got the computers, we've got the laptops, we've got the iPads, we've got every other whatever that make us lie on a beach. Do you know how many people I've seen lying on a beach and going, oh, do you know what, I might just check my email. You know, there might be something coming up that might be important, you never know. If I check it now, it won't be a problem when I get back. But you know what? What happens then is your brain is still thinking, your brain can't work out the difference. You've got to train it and you've got to teach it what to do. So what happens is you're sitting on a beach, your brain doesn't know, you're meant to be relaxing. Your brain's then thinking, what do I need to organize about that email I just got? What do I need to do about that email I just got? You need to switch off. If you can't find a way to switch off, you will not be able to recharge your batteries. And do you know what? All those devices that you're playing around with to get all these emails and things, they need recharging, don't they? So they're no different. We're no different to them. We need recharging as well. And please, 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 especially if you've got young families, please make sure that you go on holiday and don't think about work. Don't think about uni. Don't think about school. Don't think about anything you'd normally be thinking about at home. Just make sure you have a break, have a vacation and enjoy it. Because you know what? By doing that, that is going to make you more productive than you ever were when you get back because you'll be recharged. Now, one little tip in all seriousness that I will give you is when you do get back, in this day and age, people tend to have hundreds of emails in their inbox when they get back from a break. Now, what I would do with that is a really good tip is put on your out of office reply that you're getting back to work a day later than you actually are. Because what that actually does is then people don't think that you're back. But even though you're back and working, theoretically, you can just spend a whole day just catching up and getting prepared. Now grab your email inbox and create two folders. One's called to action and one is called for later or something like that, right? And just go through that email inbox because the biggest thing playing on your mind is going to be what's in the inbox more than what you've got to do. It's what's in there that I might be missing. So just go through all those emails and just push them across. That later, archive, I'll archive that later, I'll delete that later, blah, 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 blah. And then into the action one, just push across all the emails that you need to do something about. And then when you do start that next day back in proper work time, just work out of that action folder to start with, and you'll find there's a lot less than you actually think. But your brain's also seen everything. And as David Allen always says, that you don't know what you're doing oh geez, I've forgotten some of my own quotes that I follow. You don't know what you're not doing unless you know what you're not doing. So that's the most important part of it. So guys, go on vacation, enjoy time with your family, get rid of the phones, get rid of the technology, enjoy your break. It's going to make you a much more productive person when you get home. Thanks for joining us on today's episode. I look forward to seeing you next week on SPP Productivity TV. See you later. Some simple ideas of how you can make sure you stay productive and organized while you're on holiday. Well, let's find out some simple
Wow.